Hello, my loves. Today we're going to do lesson 26. 5 of the 25 girls on Alden Middle School's soccer team. Hey, there's Alden, huh? Are 7th grade students. Find the percentage of 7th graders on the team. Show 2 different ways of solving for the answer. One of the methods must include a diagram or picture model. All right, so we have 5 of the 25 girls. That's our ratio. Five of the 25, so we have 5 girls are 7th graders. And 25 are the total amount, right? The total amount. So they want us to find the percent. And remember when I said percent is always out of 100? Okay, we can make this ratio out of 100. How can we do that? Well, we can multiply the top and the bottom by what? 5 over 25 times what equals 100? Times 4. And whatever I do on the bottom, I do on the top. So now you have 20 out of 100. There's your fraction. What is your percent? Remember how I said percent is always out of 100, so it equals 20%. 20%. Okay, you can also do a double number line. You start with 0, 0. And then on the top, we're going to do by 20%. 20%, 40, 60, 80, 100%. And then we have 25 people, and we're going to split it into how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, we're going to do increments of 5 because 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And now you can see using your double number line that 5 out of 25 is going to be 20%. So there's another method, another module, or another method. Here we go. Of the 25 girls on the Alden Middle School soccer team, 40% also play on a travel team. Oh, that's cool. This is our like little Miss Benders that play soccer, huh? How many of the girls on the middle school team also play on a travel team? Okay, so what's 40%? So they're saying 40%, 40%, percent's always out of 100, okay? And our total amount of girls was 25 girls, right? So it's kind of like working backwards now, like a puzzle. So 25 times what is 100? Times 4. So what would 40 divided by 4 equal? 10. Okay, so there's one method. There's option one method, which we'll go over again in class, so it's okay. Or you can use your double number line up here. You have 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. And then you have another line on the bottom. 0 to 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 total members, but what's 40%? So we look on the top under 40%, and how many players do you have? 10 players. So there's another way to do it. It's pretty awesome, huh? So 10 of the girls play travel ball. Okay? Well, let's turn the page. The Alden Middle School's girls soccer team won 80% of its games this season. So everybody highlight, circle 80%. 80%, so 80 out of 100, or 80%. If the team won 12 games, how many games did it play? Okay, so we have 12 games. So we have 80%, 80 out of 100. And we're saying that the 12 games is the 80%, right? They won. They won. 12. 1. So it equals the 12. How many games did it play? So how can we find this out? So we have 4/5. Well, 80 over 100. You can simplify that down. So let's simplify. 80 over 100. Let's divide by 10 on top and bottom. You get 8 over 10. Divide by 2 one more time to get the greatest value. And you get 4 out of 5. This is our greatest value, or lowest terms. Okay, greatest value. Okay, now we're going to take 4/5, which is equivalent to the 80 over 100. And we're going to say that they played 12 games, but we don't know the total amount of games. Okay, so 4 times what equals 12? Oh, it's blurry. 4 times what equals 12? 4 times 3. Sorry, it was blurry. Just push pause and rewrite it, okay? And whatever I do on the top, I must do on the bottom. So what's 5 times 3? 15. So they played a total of 15 games. And that would be your answer. They won 12 and they did a total of 15. Okay? Now, if we did it like a double number line, you have percents, 0, and it went by 20s because it says 80%. So we're going to go to 100. So we're going to say 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And we have 15 total. Well, we said there were 12 games. Okay. And we're going to have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times something, where 4 times something is 12. So what's going to be the increments on each one? By 3s, yes. 3, 6, 9. See how I did 4 times 3 is 12? And then if I added 3 more, I would get 15. So this is just 2 different methods to do it. Method A and method B. I don't care which one, but this one's much easier for me. But if this one's easier for you, then you do you. Yeah, as long as we're understanding. Okay? Let's do one more. There are 60 animals. Why does it keep getting blurry? 60 animal exhibits at the local zoo. What percent of the zoo's exhibits does each animal represent? All right, so let's see. There's 60 total. Circle, underline, and highlight. Mammals, 30. So we have 30. What's our ratio? Over 60. 30 over 60 equals what? Well, let's simplify. Divide by 10 on top and bottom to get that value. And you get 3, 6. And what's 3, 6? 50%. Yeah, half. Okay. Reptiles, ready? 15 out of 60. Let's simplify. Let's divide by 5 on top and bottom, and you get 3 over 12. Divide by 3 again. On top and bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And what is 1? Oh, okay. Now we always said out of 100, right? So if you want to make this out of 100, 4 times what is 100? 4 times 25. 1 times 25 is 25. So you have 25%. It's pretty small written up there. All right, I'm going to write one a little bit larger down here. So we'll do the next one, 12. 12 fish and insects out of a total of 60 animals. We got some fishies. I'll draw a little fish. Okay. And we're going to simplify. Divide by 6 on top and bottom. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Can you put that in a decimal? Oh yeah, 0.2. All right, now how do you do it as a percent? Remember I said percent's always out of 100. So if you change that to 20 hundredths, then your percent is 20%. Yeah. Okay, I want you to try birds and on your own. And we will start on number 2 in class. So make sure this chart is finished. All right, you make yourself have a great, grand, and groovy day. And remember, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know.